Located on the southern bank of the Seine estuary in Normandy, the charming port town of Honfleur is renowned for its picturesque harbor, artistic heritage, and timeless atmosphere. Facing the waters that lead into the English Channel, Honfleur has long been a gateway between inland France and the open sea, shaping its identity as both a fishing port and a center of maritime trade. The heart of Honfleur is its iconic Via Bassin, a small, rectangular harbor lined with tall, narrow houses whose slate-covered facades reflect beautifully in the still water. These colorful buildings, dating from the 16th to 18th centuries, create one of the most recognizable scenes in France. Around the harbor, cobbled streets lead to art galleries, cafes, and boutiques, inviting visitors to wander and soak in the town's intimate charm. Honfleur has a deep connection to the world of art, particularly the development of Impressionism. Its ever-changing light, shimmering reflections, and coastal scenery attracted painters such as Claude Monet and Eugene Boudin, who captured the town's atmosphere on canvas. Today, this artistic legacy continues in the many galleries and studios scattered throughout Honfleur. One of the town's most distinctive landmarks is the St. Catherine's Church, the largest wooden church in France. Built in the 15th century by shipbuilders using traditional maritime techniques, its interior resembles the hull of an upturned boat. The separate bell tower, constructed nearby, adds to the uniqueness of this architectural gem. Beyond its visual appeal, Honfleur offers a rich culinary experience rooted in Norman traditions. Fresh seafood, especially mussels and fish, features prominently on local menus, often accompanied by regional specialties like cider and calvados. The town's markets and restaurants reflect the agricultural abundance of Normandy, known for its dairy products, apples, and rustic cuisine. The surrounding countryside and coastline provide further opportunities for exploration, from scenic walks along the estuary to visits to nearby beaches and historic sites. Despite its popularity with visitors, Honfleur retains a relaxed, authentic feel, balancing tourism with a strong sense of local identity. With its blend of maritime history, artistic inspiration, and architectural beauty, Honfleur offers a quintessentially French experience. It is a place where light, water, and culture converge, leaving a lasting impression on those who wander its narrow streets and gaze across its tranquil harbor.